Guys, this is Denise Brooks with Alexis Information Systems. I don't know why, but the video today has been the most difficult for me to record. I'm not sure if it's because we are entering the peak season or there's so much compassion on what the retailers are getting ready to go through. And we will talk today about boundaries. I want to talk about boundaries that you can set around your shipping policy. That way, this holiday season doesn't turn into a nightmare for you as you are getting ready to sell the most of your products for the whole year and also work the hardest. It would really be difficult for someone to work so hard to fill these orders and then get to the point where you get nothing but complaints because delays happen that are out of your control. I would recommend to use the time that we have now before the shipping season kicks in to plan correctly, forecast correctly what you will sell. December 14th is the deadline for retail ground with USPS. So you can set that as your deadline to start to kick your holiday shipping season. And because of that, I thought of a couple of advice that you can use to make sure that you keep your peace of mind. First, decide how fast you will mail your products. Then decide how many you are going to mail. And let's just get an example. Let's say you sell bar soaps and that you actually create. So as a product creator, you need extra time to manufacture what you will then sell. If that's the case for you, what I would recommend is now you can decide, I will make 10,000 bar soaps this year and that's it, nothing else. And then after you get to that point, you can decide this will be the last day that any shipment will get out of here. It sounds simple, but trust me, it will save you so much money. What I've seen in the past, I've seen people rush. So it's like they have a lot of orders, they weren't able to fill the order, and because of that, they end up the retailer ends up paying express pricing for something that the customer paid only the regular pricing because you're running out of time. And you can just imagine, all right, well, you work so hard, you are probably spending more money on stuff during that season, and then you have to pay extra for shipping. So take this time to really prepare yourself for the shipping season. December 21st is the deadline for express shipping with USPS. So if you really must push it, you have to consider that after December 21st, anything that you ship will come back as a complaint because it might not make it to its location before the 25th, which then you work so hard, you did the express shipping, and the customer is not happy. It's not worth it, right? So some people decide, all right, so we are going to take a regular shipment until this date. And then from, maybe you can do from December 19th to December 21st, all orders that need to go out and that you want to guarantee to arrive before Christmas, the customer must pay the express shipment price. That way you don't lose money. Let's see. Also, because of all of this, if your business requires handling, don't forget to add it to your cost before you put your pricing because you're going to need more handling due to the Christmas time. There are so many things that we can talk about on this channel for e-commerce to prepare for the holiday season. And I'm certainly hoping that you will stick around as we go through all these little topics. I have 3 videos that will show up on your screen when this one ends one that talks about recurring sales, the other one talks about crafting a good return policy, and then I have another video that just tells you how to make the most of your sales when you are a product creator. I hope to see you back here next week we will talk about gift cards, and I hope you have a great day. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video with your friends. Thank you and have a great day.